Hello friends, welcome to C programming tutorials. In this class we are going to learn about converting file type. So converting of files is nothing but we know two types of files. One is text file, another one is binary files. Now in this class we are going to learn how to convert a text file into binary file and binary file into text file. Okay. C has no standard functions for converting file type. So there is no predefined functions in C to convert file type. Okay. So we are going to write the programs to convert the files. Okay. So now we have two types of files. So we are going to convert a binary file into text file or a text file into binary file. In some situations, we are going to transfer the data from one computer to another computer. That means one system to another system. In those cases, sometimes we are going to convert the files. Okay. Here we are going to see a small example how we are going to convert file type. Okay. So this is the program for creating binary file from a text file. So that means here we are giving the input as a binary file and we convert the file as a text file. Okay. So here I am taking two file pointers. So one is fp1, another one is fp2. Okay. So after that fp1 equals to fopen abc.txt and r. So what it means? So this is the text file abc.txt I opened in read mode. That means, so for example, so this is the abc.txt. So this contains, for example, engineering. So this is the data is in abc.txt. Now let us assume the starting address is 1010. So that is assigned to fp. Okay. So already abc.txt is in hard disk. Okay. So after that fscanf. So what is the purpose of fscanf? So by using fscanf, you read the data from file. So fscanf fp, that means, so this is the fp1. So percentage s buffer, this is the variable. So for example, so this is the variable buffer. Okay. Now the data in this 1010, that is engineering, are stored in this buffer. Okay. Now so printf percentage yes, so buff means engineering is displayed on monitor. Okay. So next, so this part we are going to use to create binary file. Okay. So we open the text file and store the data in variable. After that, so fp2 equals to fopen tb_file.txt. That means text binary file.txt. That means another file is opened and it is wb. So wb is nothing but this is the binary file. You are going to write the data onto this file. Okay. So this is the tb_file.txt. So let us assume the starting address is 2010, that is assigned to fp2. Okay. Now it is empty. So after that fwrite. So what is the purpose of fwrite function? Fwrite function we are going to use to write the data onto this file. Okay. So address of buff. So this is the, let us address is 200. Okay. So size of buff. What is the size here? 20. That means so 20 bytes of data. So one time, that means 1 into 20 bytes is allocated. So fp2. So that is so 2010. In this place, these 20 bytes of data you are going to place. That is engineering. So this store in the form of binary values. So binary numbers. Okay. So that means it is in zeros and ones. Zeros and ones. For sake of understanding here I write engineering. But instead of engineering, it stores the data in the form of zeros and ones. That's it. So fclose, fp1, fclose, fp2. Okay. Now if you observe that the abc.txt is a text file and we convert the text file as a binary file. Okay. So similarly, this is the program for creating text file from a binary file. Okay. So here also I am taking two pointers. One is fp1 another one is fp2. Okay, so fp1 equals to f open, so binary file dot txt rb. So that means in hard disk there is a file, so binary file dot txt, and I open that file in read mode. So let us assume this is the RAM, primary memory. So this is the binary file dot txt. So binary file dot txt, and the starting address is 1010, and let us assume the content is 12345. Okay, so this is in binary form. So, okay, and this 1010 is assigned to fp1. That's it. So after that, so by using fread, what is the purpose of fread? Fread function we are going to use to read the data from binary file. So ampersand roll number, I take one variable or number, so size of roll number, so 1 comma fp1, so there is 1010, so there is 4 bytes of memory. The size of the integer is 4 bytes, so these 4 bytes of memory is stored in this roll number. Okay, that's it. So now, so by using this instruction, I print this 1 2 3 4 5 on monitor. So this print on monitor. So now, so these steps we are going to use to create text file. So fp2 equals to f open, so b text file dot txt, that means another file is open, and w, that means this is the text file. So the name is b text file dot txt. Let us assume the starting address is 2010, that is assigned to fp2. Okay, so fprintf. What is the purpose of fprintf? Fprintf function is used to write the data onto this file. fp2, so 2010, so percentage d, so formatting the data. So roll number, what is the 12345? What is the roll number? 12345. So that is placed in this text file. So after that, fclose, fp2 and fp1. Okay, these two are closed. Okay, so now if you observe that, so this is the 12345 in binary file dot txt, and we convert that as a text file. I hope you all understand how to convert the files. So now we are going to see how to create a binary file from text file. So here, so abc.txt, so contains engineering. So this is the text file. I want to convert this text file as a binary file. The binary file name is tbfile.txt. After execution of all these instructions, tbfile.txt file created as binary file. We execute this program, gcc program 86.c a.out. Now automatically a file is created. What is the file name? tbfile.txt. Here, so tbfile.txt. So this is the binary file. Now we are going to see how to create text file from binary file. So this is the binary file.txt created already. So now I convert this binary file.txt as a text file. So how? So I open this binary file.txt. So after that I convert this as a b text file.txt. Okay, we execute this program. After completion of these instructions, a file is created with the name b text file.txt. So gcc program 87.c. So /a.out. Okay, if you observe that, so b text file.txt file created. If you open this, the content is 12345. So this is the actual binary file. Okay,